Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing another Advent unboxing, this time from Benefit Cosmetics. Theirs is the Glam Cube this year, and I am very excited to dive into this. So if you're curious to see what is inside the 2025 Advent calendar from Benefit Cosmetics, then just keep watching. Okay, so this thing is huge, massive. It looks like a Rubik's Cube, obviously, very, very cute. My son's definitely gonna want the box after I'm done. On the back, of course, it lists everything that's inside and the ingredients. It says, "'Tis the season for a big beauty twist. Beauty puzzles solved. Put a holiday twist on your look with the Grand Master of Advent calendars packed with 24 days of glam goodies in full, mini, and fun size. Now that's what we call a win." And I agree. So let's check it out. How do we even get into this thing? Oh, okay, so this isn't even the actual product. There's an outer box. Oh, it spins. That is so cool. I didn't know that. That is really neat. So I guess it spins, and then are there flaps or doors? How do we get into this thing? Okay, there are drawers. Interesting. They're very stiff drawers, but you can see that there are numbers inside. So I guess you have to search through the drawers to find the number that you're on. That's really cool. And then the second drawer. And then finally, the third drawer. That is really, really inventive. Okay, Benefit. Okay. That is really cool. Okay, so where can I prop this that you'll be able to see it? Ta-da, problem solved. All right, so let's look for day number 1. All right, day number 1 is right here in the front. Day number 1. And good, it doesn't say what's on it. Some of the other Advents I've unboxed have said what was on it in the box, which kind of ruins the whole surprise. Okay, it says sample size of their Fun Fast mascara, which I am a fan of. Really fun. All right, let's see. No day 2 in there. Day 2, right up front. This is a long one. Oh, okay, so there's skincare in here also. This is the Professional Get Unblocked Pore Cleaning Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. I have this, but haven't actually had a chance to try it, so guess I will now. Day 3 is in the third drawer. And it is the Benetint Rose, the original one, which I actually have on my lips right now. So that's awesome. And I wonder if it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're looking for day 4. Nope, not up there. They're a little hard to open, I'll be honest. Day 4 is in here, second drawer. This one's wrapped. Cute paper. Oh, it's got like chess pieces and dice on it. That's really cute. Okay. A little sample size of their Willow blush, which is a really pretty like mauve-y pink shade. Really pretty. I think I have a dedicated video of swatching all of their blush colors if you're interested in seeing what that one looks like. I don't want to open things and swatch things that I already own because I feel like that would be wasteful when I could donate this to a women's shelter or one of my local church groups that takes them. 5 is down here, drawer 3. Very light, so maybe like a brow product. Yep. Fluff Up Brow Wax sample size. I even like the boxes. Like these are really cute. Like I would use these to package other gifts in, like especially for my kids' stockings to kind of hide what's inside. Like I could probably fit like a little pair of earrings in here for my daughter, or maybe some bait for my son in here because he loves to fish. He wouldn't know what he's getting. 5. 6 is right next to it in drawer 3. The Professional Pore Primer. It looks like this package has gotten like a remodel, a redesign, but I'm assuming it's the same product inside and it is sealed. So I'm gonna assume it's the same like nudie color, moussey primer that fills in pores really well. I used to love this and use it all the time. Maybe I should go back to using it. All right, let's see, 7. Ooh, 7's all the way in the back of drawer 2. It's a big one. Something flat. What are these? I Gotta Glow Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. Is this a new product? I've never seen this, never tried this. And I've tried most of the Benefit products at this point. Interesting. Perhaps a limited edition product only in the advent calendar. Okay, we're looking for 8. Eight was all the way in the back of drawer 2. The Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer for Pores. I have this one and I was using it for a while. It does a moderate job of filling in pores. I wouldn't say it's the most pore smoothing product, but I guess if you want a moisturizer to start the process and then you want a primer to kind of complete the pore filling process, then perhaps using these two together would be like your perfect combination. Looking for day 9 right here, day 9. And this is a Do La La liquid highlight in the shade Luna. This is definitely like a mini. The full size is like this big. I also recently swatched these in a video, so if you're curious to see what this one looks like, head on over to that video and check it out. 10 is right behind it. Probably another minuscule product. This one is the Gimme Brow, and is this shade 3? So this is the tinted brow product in shade 3. This is great for like tossing in your purse, tossing in a travel bag. I don't think this is necessarily even travel size. I feel like this is probably a mini size. Looking for day 11. Here we go. I feel like this bottom drawer is my favorite. It's got the biggest items. Day 11 is, oh nice, a little travel size of the Professional Super Setter. I really like this setting spray. Day 12 is also in this bottom drawer. This is a full size of the 24-hour brow setter, which I recently showed you guys in the Benefit gift video. So have this one, use it, enjoy it. I think I prefer a tinted brow gel so that it's one and done, like it coats my brows and sets them. But if you're looking for something clear that has a decent hold, definitely check that out. 13 is also in here. Ooh, the roller lash. I was looking for my roller lash and I realized I don't have any in my collection right now. So I am very happy to have this back in my mascara collection. It's a really good one. 14 in that same drawer is a little square one. I'm gonna guess a Hoola bronzing product, maybe. It's wrapped up, so that's promising. No, Shelly. So this is like a more corally blush shade. Okay, I was wrong. That was 14, we're looking for 15. All the way in the back of drawer 1. 15. Deep Retreat Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. This is a little itty bitty size, but again, perfect if you're traveling and you want to bring a mask or you want to bring some skincare without bringing the full size. This is a good one. 16, whoa, is massive in drawer 1. What do we think this could be? What would be this big? A brush? The only brush they have is for the cream bronzer, I believe. Oh. interesting. These look like removable, or these look like washable makeup remover pads. Or these might be to put your toner on and then you can wash them. And it comes in a little pouch that you can toss in the washing machine. That's interesting. I think this is also a new product. I don't think I've seen this before. 17. We need like a lip something, right? Like a lip. We already have the lip tint, but like a splash tint or something, right? The Real Mascara. Oh, I used to love this one. I haven't used it in a while. I might have to start using some of my old favorites again and see how they stack up to the things that have come out since then. This is a good one. Okay, we're looking for 18, drawer 2, 18. This one is also wrapped. Could this be Hula or a highlight? Oh, the Dandelion. This is Dandelion blush. It says a baby pink blush on the cheeks. So we've gotten 3 blushes so far, no highlight and no bronzer. We did get the liquid highlight, but no powder highlight. 19 is another really large one. What is it, guys? Oh, wow, a full-size Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I feel like this is another one that I have to give a second try to, because I tried this and I didn't like it. It made my lashes clump together, more spidery, like sticky. I didn't love it, but perhaps my tastes have changed. Perhaps the formula's changed. This is like a cult classic and everyone seems to love it. So I don't know why I don't. So perhaps I'll have to give this one another try as well. 20. This is the Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I think I tried their foaming line and I just don't feel like it did a whole lot for me personally. I tried the foaming toner and the foaming cleanser and they were fine, but they just didn't work super well for my skin type. I don't know what it was, but that's okay. Skincare doesn't have to work for everyone, and I love so many products from Benefit. I don't have to love them all. 21. Oh, not up there. I only have a few left. This bottom drawer is empty. So 21. Bronzer? Bronzer question mark. No. I don't know if this is a blush shade I tried. This is Krista. I feel like there was one shade that either came out later or I couldn't get my hands on. This one is a strawberry pink blush. Oh, that sounds like it would be really pretty. All right, I might have to try this one. I have tried all of the other shades. This one I'm not sure of. That was 21, so 22 must be up here. 22. A little mini bounce mascara. My original full-size bounce that I first tried, I feel like came kind of dried up. So I feel like this is another one that I'd have to give another shot to, because I just think mine might have been like a one-off situation where I just got a bad product, but I've heard good things about this one. So, yeah. We're down to the last 2. We have 23. Another blush, or a Hula, or a highlight. Hula, we did get our Hula. So this is the original. They do have a light, they have a glow, they have a toasted, they have a few other varieties. I personally really like the Hula Glow and the Hula Toasted. The Hula Toasted gives me more like red undertones, that sunburnt suntan look, and the Hula Glow gives me that golden sheen with my bronzer, which is really pretty. But I have this one on right now. Looks really nice, so no complaints. This is definitely an iconic product. And finally, day 24. Now, what do I think could be in this one? We've gotten, I think, all of their iconic mascaras, multiple blushes. We have the Hula bronzer. We've got their brow products. We haven't gotten any brow pencils or brow pens. We also haven't gotten any like lip tint balm products. What else am I missing? Obviously they can't do foundations. I'm gonna guess this is a full-size brow pencil or brow pen. Or maybe I'm completely off. What is this? It's squishy. Okay. Like a wide corduroy scrunchie. I don't think this has anything to do with Benefit's branding. And it's an odd choice for like the last day of your advent calendar. You're expecting like a really great iconic Benefit product for like the day before Christmas if you're opening this as December 1st to 24th. Not gonna lie, this is a little bit of a letdown for a last day of an advent calendar. That's just my personal opinion. Like, it's soft, it's cute. I have thin hair, so I feel like something this large kind of overwhelms my hair when it's in a ponytail. But I mean, it is cute. It does say Benefit on it. You could always wear it like this. It's cute, just not what I was expecting. I was hoping like a full-size product or like a brow product, something really iconic from Benefit. So that was the only like slightly disappointing door, unfortunately. So I've opened all the doors of the Glam Cube. So in summary, we got 5 like skincare type products, you know, cleansers, masks, things like that. 1 primer, which I think would fall under the makeup category. 1 bronzer. 4 blushes, which I do feel like is a little bit much. 1 liquid highlight. 1 lip and cheek product. And a setting spray. So makeup. So 9 face makeup products. Then we have 3 brow products. 5 mascaras, which I'm totally fine with. I love mascara. And then this product, which I guess you would call it like a makeup and skincare tool, and a hair product. So I'm very excited about all the makeup products. I'm excited about the under eye gels. These I might use because I do use a toner from time to time, so it would be nice to not have to keep throwing away cotton rounds, and I could just wash them in this little bag. I might end up losing the bag, so I'll have to remember to keep them together so that I can put it in here to wash. But all in all, I think this is a great way to try products from a brand. And like, I'm never gonna run through a full-size blush product unless it becomes like the only one I use. So this is a great way to have a reasonable size product in your collection if you're a beauty collector, a beauty reviewer like I am, and you have a lot of different products that you want to try, so you rarely go through one of anything. Of course, there are certain exceptions. I've run through the MAC Fix Plus, I've run through the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Tinted Acid product, I've run through several Benefit mascaras, several Benefit brow products. So it definitely happens. I definitely ran through several of these already. So great way to try things, a great value. This is such a fun box. I can't wait to figure out what to put in here to give to my son who solves Rubik's Cubes. He has about 15 different Rubik's Cubes and he knows how to solve all of them. I'm so impressed. I have no idea. So this is a great value, would 100% recommend. So add it to your wish list, add it to your shopping list. Thumbs up for me. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy shopping. Bye guys.